brush engine flange and brush flange replacement. Flange extending from the engine shaft. New flange. Test of the new flange mounted on the brush hub. Make sure the locking tabs are working. Make sure the flange is seated on the brush. Once all assembly is complete, it will be mounted on the brush engine shaft. Installation of the engine output flange. Once the M8 13mm bolt is tightened with a washer, the flange will be secured. We also attach the brush flange to the brush. And then we attach the brush.